In this video, we're going to see how you can delete a dashboard. One important thing about deletion, or better said, deletion of a dashboard. Once a dashboard is deleted, you cannot just get it back. And also, if you have deleted a dashboard that you shared with other users in the project, the dashboard will be also deleted for them, even though they were just viewers. So we have again our main user and our QA user. And the QA user will delete this QA1 dashboard. And now let's see what the main user sees. So we still see the QA1, but if we click on it, we have get an error because the dashboard is no longer there. As we've seen before, if I were now to delete dashboard number 2, so go back to the menu, delete dashboard, we get also the information that there's a person who has this as favorites, that is our QA user. So we can delete the board, and if we refresh it, the board is gone. You can not even find it anymore. So if we go to find dashboards, we search for everything, we just see our board and the system dashboard, because there are no other boards which have been shared with us. Okay, this is all about deletion of dashboards. In the next one, we're going to have a look at the last option regarding boards, and that is wall board. See you in the next one.